Hi guys, Angie72442 here, and I'm going to open a pack of Sun and Moons. Like I said, I've been saving these up for a while, and I thought, you know what, it'd be interesting to let people see what kind of cool cards I can pull out of some of these. And here we go. I do this just because it's one of those things. It's kind of cool. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now here we go. Our energy card, I believe, maybe psychic. I'm not actually sure. We've got Hypno, Big Malasada, Steenie. I got Poliwag, Jupiter, Eevee, one of my favorites, Eevee, Stuffle, and then I have Litten. Cool. Alright, and for my reverse holo, I have Grubbin, and for the cool card, I got Decidua EGX, number 12 out of 149. Now, if I have something maybe that you need to finish one of your sets, as long as it's not something that I need, contact me. If you see me pull it out of a pack, and I'll see if it's possible for me to sell it to you. I haven't sold anything, like I said, Pokemon wise, in forever.